Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I post everything related to dance, circus, and performing. So if you are also into those things, please subscribe to my channel. I just made my return to YouTube after a bit of a break, and I really want to create a nice online community for performing artists. I'm really excited to get into this video today because I am showing you guys aerial silks drops from a little bit of a different perspective because I am actually filming it from my point of view up in the air. So I'll get into how I did that in just 1 second. But before I get into anything, I'm just doing a warm-up. As all of you probably already know, warm-ups are one of the most important parts of your training. It is so important for keeping your body healthy, especially as you get older, if you want to have a long career in circus arts or dance or, you know, any kind of performing arts. So if you guys are interested in a warm-up video, I can definitely make you guys a dedicated warm-up video where I show you what I personally do to get my body ready for training. So yeah, if you're interested, just comment down below and I will make one. Okay, so the way I actually did this was with my GoPro, and I just bought this harness for my GoPro, so I can actually wear this on my body and film everything I'm doing in the air, which is super cool, and I immediately had to make this video once it arrived. First, I'm just getting a little bit more warmed up on the silk. My shoulders are feeling a little bit cold, so I just decided to do some skin the cats up high. I did one really deep one to stretch my shoulders out. And then I was ready to go. So I, of course, need to make my hands nice and sticky so that my grip is good. And then I'm getting started with climbing. You can see my point of view in that box in the bottom corner. So then we're getting into wrapping. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the outside point of view, and then I'll show you the same thing from my point of view with the GoPro. So first I'm showing you the wrapping from the outside point of view, and then in just a second you will see what it actually looks like up in the air. So this is what I'm seeing when I'm up on my silk. It's so weird to see it this way on a screen, even though this is what it looks like to me every day. It seems so different to actually see it on my computer screen while I'm editing, but it's super cool and I'm excited to share this with you. So then here's what the drop actually looks like from the outside. And then once again, this is what it looks like from the air. And believe it or not, I actually don't get dizzy, and I don't know if that's just because I'm really used to it or if it just looks way more intense on camera. Just wrapping drop number 2. Ignore that form right there. I wasn't focused on perfect form today. I was just doing my training. But here's the point of view of that wrap. Here is the drop. Waiting in that final position before dropping is so uncomfortable because you actually can't breathe in that position. So I always try to make that as quick as possible. And coming down for drop number 3. Well, I guess this one isn't really a drop per se, but it's definitely a descent. I call them windmills. I know some people call them helicopters, or let me know if you call it another name. I know names aren't always consistent across the board. But here's what wrapping that looks like from my point of view up in the air. And I don't know why, but my camera went blurry when I went to film this, which is so frustrating, but you get the idea. And then here's, oh, my cat is meowing in the back, but here's what it looks like. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I would love to make this a series, so let me know if you are interested in this being a series. I could do this on other apparatuses as well. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.